Okay, next up I've got one of these. It's a Sterling lock, nothing special, a little bit stiff, but there you go. Sorry, did I do that in shot? There you go, show you it's working. What I've got here is what was one of the spare keys which we've knocked up into a bump key. Again, I seem to do that with virtually every padlock I get. I'll make the spare key into a bump key. You never know when you might need one. So I've spaced this out roughly already what I think it's going to be. As you can see there with the dampeners. So I'm going to try and bump this lock now with the weighted brocage hammer. Again, spot on hammers these, a lot better than the standard brocage, and they're very good hammers. So here we go. Again, after a couple of hits, if you don't get any joy, I tend to pull the key out, start again. There you go, on this occasion it's opened the lock.